Okay, on this video, we're going to focus on editing your text and specifically using what we call styles. And basically, styles are going to allow you to create headlines, subheadlines, and create or keep your text consistent from page to page. If all you ever used was styles, you'd be guaranteed that every page of your website would look consistent. So, if I want to edit this page, this is the About Us page. If I'd like to edit that page, basically I've got to log into the control panel, and I'm going to assume you know how to do that. Once you log into the control panel, I'm going to go to Standard Pages. Now from here, I've got a list of the different pages on this website. Now the one I'm after is the About Us page. So right next to the About Us page is Edit Page. Let's go ahead and click that. Now, once I'm on this page, you can see that the editor comes into view. Now, let's say I'd like to make "We Are the World." Maybe I'd like that to be a headline, just stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. And then under the Styles drop-down, I just choose Heading. And you can see it's that simple. Maybe I'd like this one to be a subheadline, or a subheading, rather. I come here, and that's a subheading. So I click that, and you can see for this website, that's the color and the size for subheading. And every time I create a subheading, it's going to be the same size, same font, and that means this website is going to stay very consistent. So maybe I want a subheading right here. I would just type that in. Let me go ahead and correct this. Now, I'm going to highlight that just like I did the others. Then from my Styles drop-down, choose Subheading, and voila! It really is very simple. When choosing fonts and colors and sizes, if you only ever use the styles, again, it would guarantee that your site stays very consistent, very elegant, and so anyway, I'll always suggest that people use that for the most part and rarely choose other fonts and colors. Now let's say that we didn't like what we had done here. I can always highlight it. Right next to styles is remove formatting. So if I click that, basically it takes all that formatting away and I can redo it if I like. So again, highlight, I'm going to choose heading, highlight, from my drop down I choose subheading, and again. And once I have it the way I want it, I just scroll to the bottom and I hit Update Page. Now, because I've got two browser windows open here, I'm going to go ahead and click this tab here. And then for me to be able to see those changes, you see I don't see the changes yet because the browser doesn't know there were any changes. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the refresh button here. Now it pulls in the changes I've made. I can see if I like what I've done. If I do, perfect, I'm done. If not, I just come back to the control panel, hit Edit Page again, and I can do it all over again. And that pretty much is using styles.